Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Mike Mello. I'm a broker associate and co-owner at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Today I'm in Ocala, Florida, and I'm here with Stacy, who's showing us this beautiful listing behind us. So Stacy, tell us a little bit about this community.
Hey Mike, thank you. So we're in Summit 2, which is a desirable community in Ocala, just on the outskirts. It's got rolling hills. The acreage here, each house is at least 2.5 acres or more, so you've got space between you and your neighbor. And it's just really a convenient spot to get to anything in Ocala, but feel like you're out in the country and away from the busyness of town.
That's awesome. We really enjoy it when me and Haley, who's filming today, came in. We really enjoyed the rolling hills and how this community was. It's a really, really nice community here, gated, and also you're allowed to have horses here as well, correct?
That is correct.
So
yes,
if you have Mr. Ed, you can bring Mr. Ed along as well. So let me talk to you a little bit about the house itself. The house is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom home with 5,006 square feet of living, and the current offering price is $1.1 million. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about, of course, we have a little bit over, what is like 2.7 acres
yes,
or so?
Correct.
Thereabouts, plus or minus. So you have lots of front yard, lots of backyard. We have a driveway coming all the way up into a 3-car garage. And of course, we have this really cool driveway that rounds about into the front entry of the home. The home itself is beautiful. We have all this landscaping all around right here in the center of the driveway. As we come around, we have the landscaping going all the way around the front of the house as well. It's obviously a 2-story house, and as we come up to the entrance, we go from the driveway to some really nice paved or ceramic tile flooring coming up to the front entrance, a couple carriage lights on either side, and of course, a little covered entryway. We step up, a couple French doors in front of us with this beautiful design in it. So let's go ahead and go inside and check out this home. All right, so welcome into this home. So as soon as I come in, the first thing I notice is that the entry is pretty wide, a wide entryway, nice ceramic tile floors. And as I come over here, we have a really nice stairs that are wood and metal, and it's curved up all the way up to the 2nd floor. I love that curving. And of course, above us is a chandelier. And this chandelier is really cool because if you come over here, there's a little key that pops out of the wall. If you turn this key, the chandelier comes down for maintenance if you want to clean it or change the light bulbs. Really nice and convenient that you don't have to use a ladder. Over to the left is going to be a dining room. So if I come in here, the first thing that I think about this dining room is how big it is. It's a large dining room. It's currently set up for 8 people to sit around this round table, nice chandelier above us. And of course, below us is wood. This wood is called tiger wood. It's really, really thick wood as well. So high quality. We have a chair rail with 2 different colors, and above us is a tray ceiling with a little angle to it, and of course, all the wood molding around it. So as we go back, we'll go ahead and go towards the hallway for the home, which is right here. So we go from the ceramic tile floor back to another tiger wood going all the way along the whole home. Right in front of us is the family room. So the family room also has the ceramic tile floors, also a very large room as well. We have a couple windows looking out in the backyard, fireplace with all the beautiful woodworking and stone around it. And as I look up, we have the crown molding and some more woodworking going around the ceiling as well. On the other side, we do have a sliding glass door. It's one of 2 sliding glass doors going out to the pool. We'll show you the pool area later. So let's go ahead and take you over to the kitchen. So we just go down this direction on the hallway. So follow me this direction. We come over, we get back onto that ceramic tile floor. We have the breakfast nook, a nice little area here. So if you want to have some casual dining, you have that. So we're currently set up for 4 people, nice light fixture above us, and the other sliding glass door going out to the pool and the backyard. So then we go into the kitchen. The kitchen is right here. We have solid surface counters, really beautiful wood cabinets going throughout. And what I really liked about this is the backsplash. We have this sort of stone backsplash, but they have little decors of different things like mushrooms and wine. And you see that going throughout the kitchen. We have our sink, dishwasher, and then a range behind us. And of course, all the beautiful cabinets with the glass fronts and the beautiful little designs on it. And then right in front of me is going to be a center island, which is your prep area. So you can prep all your stuff here, and we have a prep sink here also. On the other side of the kitchen, we do have our oven, microwave. We have a wine refrigerator and the solid surface countertops. And of course, I really like this area, like how they have it designed with the wines and the grapes, and of course, the beautiful glass work that we have on this cabinet, and even the crown molding around the cabinet is really nice as well. We have our refrigerator right next to it, and then the pantry. So if I open the pantry, everything in here is really nice and organized, so you have plenty of space in there for your dry goods. So over to our right, to your left, will be the laundry room. We come through with a sliding door or a pocket door that goes back and forth. And we have our washer, dryer. We even have some built-in cabinets with the white cabinets and the solid surface countertops. Even some extra space here for storage. And then we go into another half bathroom. This one also has a pocket door that opens and closes. and then a door that goes out to the pool. So if you needed a toilet or the sink, you have that right off of the pool. On the other side of the laundry room is going to be the 3-car garage. Let's go ahead and open it up and take you in there as well. So as we go down, we step down 2 steps into a 1-car bay. They did separate this with a wall and even a screen door. If you like that, you can keep it. If you take it out, I sort of like the separation. You can still fit a car in here if you want it, or you can use this as a separate little room. And then right next to that is going to be the 2-car garage. So plenty of space here for vehicles that you need, or any sort of storage that you need to do yard work or whatever you might do. So, all right, so follow me back up. We'll go back up to the home and go back and take that hallway all the way over to show you the living room, which is right off at the entryway. So if you haven't done already, make sure you like and subscribe to. If you're thinking about buying or selling any homes in the Central Florida area, we do feature a lot of homes on our channel with my team throughout Central Florida. So here is the living room. So we walk into the living room, we have the tiger wood on the floor. Of course, we have a sitting area, a couple windows looking out to the front of the house. We have the same tray ceiling that we saw in the dining room that's sort of angled with all the crown moldings around it. This is the entryway just to my right. So it's right off of the entryway. You come right through there from the front of the home. So it also has a chair rail with the 2 paint colors as well. And as we come back out to the hallway, you'll notice a couple little features in the house where they have these little design features with the wood molding, little light feature as well, so you can have some decorative stuff on the home as well. So next step would be the primary bedroom. So as I come in here, this room is huge. So for a 5,000 square foot house, this is one of the bigger primary bedrooms I've seen. So of course we have the bed over here, but this is like a whole separate living area here with couches all set up. You can have a separate room here if you wanted to put it into 2. We have a door going out to a patio that's not the pool area, it's a separate patio area. So let me go out there and show you what we have here. So as I open up this door, it is a covered patio that has a screen in there as well. And of course you can see the backyard with this really nice lot. I like that it's got like a small gradient going up, so it's not all flat. And then I see from here, we have a walkway going over to the pool area that we'll show you later on in the video. So let's go ahead and go back out. Another thing about the primary bedroom, we do have this really nice plush carpet on the floor, which is really nice. And then on the other side, we have our king size bed, a couple end tables, plenty of space here. So, and then of course above us, we have elevated ceilings, tray ceilings with the crown molding going around as well. A couple fans in the ceiling as well. So let's go ahead and go down this hallway. As I come down here, the first thing we have is we have 2 closets on either side. So we have 1 closet and a 2nd closet. And as we continue to come down, we come into the bathroom. So to my right, to your left would be the water closet. And then we have the shower. The shower is a nice size shower with a couple shower heads. And then of course we do have the cabinets here, a little sitting area, sink area with all your cabinets, solid surface countertops, mirror and light fixture. We have a tub behind us with a window looking out to the side yard, which is really nice and private. And then we have another sink area with all the cabinets on the side as well. So let's go ahead and go down and show you bedroom number 2, which is just right around the corner. Now, if you are interested in Ocala, make sure you let us know. Stacy, who is with Preferred Real Estate Brokers as well, has tons of experience here. We'll bring her on at the end of the video as well, so she can tell you a little bit about what it's like living in Ocala. And she'll be more than happy to help you find the perfect home here in the Ocala area. So here we are in the 2nd bedroom. We have our bed, a couple end tables on either side, a little space over there for an office even. So all these bedrooms are really large. A couple windows looking out the front yard, which is nearly as big as the backyard. And then we have a closet, so plenty of built-ins on the closet. And then we also have a bathroom. So this bathroom has a really nice white cabinet, solid surface countertops, mirror and toilet and shower as well. So let's go ahead, and I think the next stop is the 2nd floor. So follow me this direction. Now, if you are watching this and you're thinking about buying or selling any sort of real estate, whether it's a condo, townhouse, starter home, luxury home, commercial property, make sure you give me a call at 407-487-3030. Be more than happy to talk to you about what you're looking for, whether it's in Florida, and we also have partners in Georgia and Tennessee as well. And then we can get you and help you find the proper property or sell your property if you want to list it as well. So let's go ahead and go upstairs and show you the 2nd floor. All right, so here we are on the 2nd floor, and you'll notice that we also have that tiger wood up here as well. It's a very spacious landing area, so you have plenty of space all the way around. Over to my right is going to be bedroom number 3. And like the other bedrooms that we saw, there's another spacious bedroom. Plenty of space here, king size bed, couple end tables, fan above us, and we do have some crown molding around and a closet right here on the far side. Now, right next to that, we have a door that goes into a bathroom. So the bathroom's got a tile floor, really nice white cabinets, solid surface countertops, and we have a mirror. The door that goes into the bedroom, but also a door where Haley is that goes out to that hallway. We have a little linen closet and of course our shower, and then right behind that door is the toilet. So they come out here, we go over and we see the little kind of intricate design details that we have. Another little woodworking area with the little recessed light as well. And then we have a duplicate one on the other side as well. And then right in front of me, we have our staircase. You get a really good view of the rails and how all the designs are. It goes all the way over into this little cool sitting area. So they come over here, we have a couple closets on your side, a little sitting area where you can sit here, look out in your front yard, and the front yard is large, it's about as big as the backyard as well, so it's really nice also. So follow me this direction. We'll go ahead and show you bedroom number 4, and then we'll show you that flex space, which could be bedroom number 5. As we come through here, you'll see the hallway. The hallway does have a air handler closet and also just a regular storage closet as well. We have a little kitty cat sitting there, guarding the closet. So follow me this direction. We'll go into bedroom 4. As I go into bedroom 4, we see we have a queen size bed on this bedroom. Nice little crown molding going around as well in the front window looking out in the front yard. We do have a full bathroom right off of the bedroom, ceramic tile floors, nice white cabinets, solid surface countertops, and of course the mirror toilet, and also a shower with tile going all the way up to the ceiling. So let's go ahead and show you the flex space, which will be bedroom number 5. So if I come back through, come back to the center of that second, the landing area, and then we come to French doors going into bedroom 5 or the flex space. So the reason why this could be bedroom 5 is that you do have 2 closets, one on either side, so you have that available. But if you don't need the 5th bedroom, you can use this as a weight room, exercise room, movie room, whatever you want. Have a couple windows looking out onto the really nice backyard and pool. And talking about the pool, let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so here we are coming off of the breakfast nook. Let me close this sliding glass door behind me. As soon as I come out, we're into a really nice covered area. It's a large covered area of a patio area that's joined up to the pool. This is the area by the family room where we have the sliding glass door. And the nice thing about this sliding glass door is you have the 2 panels. They go all the way up and they get hidden behind this wall, so you can get both panels opened up from the family room. Of course, we have our sitting area, a little dining room area as well. And then we move from the covered area to the screened in area where the pool is. And the pool is a nice pool. You can easily do laps back and forth. We have a little elevated area with the tile work and waterfall coming out. And of course, you can see all the really nice backyard. So as we come back over this direction, we have Stacy. Stacy, come back over here. I want to thank Stacy. Stacy is the listing agent for this specific beautiful home. It's a really nice area. I really enjoy coming to Ocala and the drive in and seeing the horses and the rolling hills. So what do you like most about Ocala?
So I've been here about 10 years, Mike, and I really like about Ocala is that it is very family oriented. It's got a lot of rolling hills, doesn't look like your traditional Southern Florida area. There's lots of restaurants here, lots of art activities to do. I mean, it's just really culturally, there's a lot going on, and there's also a lot of ability to get outside, kayaking, hiking, and things like that.
And I think it's known for horses as well, right?
It sure is. We got the World Equestrian Center here.
We see tons of horses as we're coming in,
yes.
So definitely if you're into horses, this is a good area to look at and focus at, especially a community like this where you can have your horse in your own yard. So thank you again for letting us film this. Thank you everyone for watching. If you are interested in Ocala, getting more information on Ocala, make sure you give us a call at 407-487-3030. Myself and Stacy be happy to help you find your perfect home. Thank you all for watching.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.